Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on backing up your iPhone to your Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing to do is plug your iPhone into your Mac. Open Finder from the dock, then click on your phone's name from the left sidebar. Click General at the top. Click Backup Now. Now choose if you want to encrypt your backups or not. Your iPhone will now be backed up to your Mac. It will take quite a few minutes to back up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.